We've got an emergency rescue mission to do. My wife, we have bird feeders, and one of them we've got a bird stuck in. So we're going to show you the emergency rescue mission. And if you'll pan over there, I'll go get the ladder. We have never had a bird get stuck up in here like this before. If you can see,
Right, it went off.
it's right up inside there.
Oh, there it is.
Yep. So let's see if we can rescue this little fella. All right, little dude. I'll get you where you can get out of here. Okay, come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right there's freedom. Come on. Right here. Come on. Come on. Come on, little fella. You can get out of there. Yep. Oh, there's another bird in there and it's dead. Oh, there's two of them got in there. Come on, you're almost there. Come on. Come on. There you go. He's free. Oh, there was two got in there, so we saved one.